Well, congratulations, you made it. We're now ready to finalize our project by customizing the player. So what we wanted to do is actually remove the course outline and present this course in slide-only mode so that it looks like this. Now I've moved this up a little bit so you can see the player, but we have the player right here, and you can see that it's locked on the home slide, and I'm forced to choose one of these paths. As soon as I click it, I'm now into the course, and then I can navigate. But I can also navigate by moving forward as long as I'm within the specific path of the course. So let's go ahead now and just set that up. So at this point, I'm in my presentation. I'm going to go ahead and click the Articulate tab, and then I want to click Publish. Depending on what your last player template was that you used, you may see corporate communications or you might see something else. I'm going to work from corporate communications, which is one of the default templates, and I'm going to customize this and then save it as a new template because I can't overwrite this default template. So I'll click the button right here to modify it. And what I want to change up here under layout is I only want to present this with no sidebar view, which is my starting view. So I don't want the slide only view, I don't want standard, I just want no sidebar view. And under navigation, I'm fine with those. Player controls, really this is more preference. I didn't use the seek bar because I didn't have any audio and there weren't any animations in the presentation. So depending on how you set it up, you may want the seek bar. I don't have anything, I don't have any audio in there, so I don't need the volume control. I do want the forward back controls, right? Because I want to be able to use that as the primary navigation for learners to move through the course. Elapsed time I don't necessarily need. Definitely need the displayed by Articulate logo. And if I'm working in an LMS or restart, I can also work with those options. But the main option right here that I just want to make sure is I select no sidebar view, and that's going to give me that full player view right here, like this. Okay? So at this point, I'm going to click Close, and it's going to ask me to save the changes. I'm going to go ahead and say yes. And I'll just call this one Branching Scenario No Sidebar. Okay? Click OK. And let's go ahead and publish. And we'll go ahead and click View Presentation. And let's move that down. So here's our presentation. It's a little bit off because of the screen recording, but I have my players down here, my player controls, and you can see they're locked by default. And then I have each of my icons right here. Click through it, and I'm able to go through my course. I don't have that little menu up here, and the course content's not changing, but if I click each of these, you can see I'm able to move through. So in just under about, 25 minutes, we created a course framework that enables us to create branching scenarios. We customized our player, we added the navigation elements, and we actually customized each of the job role content paths. If you have any questions, we will have these source files posted in the forums, and enjoy.